and gorgeous. Thank you so much. Hi Danish. Hi Shivansh. Please take my name. Hi Zamit. Is that right? Hi Jeetu. Hello. Hi. Hi Chintu. Wow. That's a nice name. Generally. Avneet _ Punjab. Hello. Hi. Take my name. Hi. What's your name? Is it Sallu? Hi Sallu. कैसे हो आप? Hi Monica. Hey beautiful. You have net issues. Do I? Like, can you guys see me properly? If you can't see me, then tell me so that I can solve that issue. Let me just remove my glasses. Please take my name. Hi Khan Anam. Hi. Please say my name. Hi Deepak. What's up? Please say hello to me. Hi, hello, what's up? I have so much to say you today. Please say whatever you guys want. I'm here to listen. Didu, please take my name. Hi Shivi, कैसे हो? My name is Yasir. Hi Yasir. कैसन बढ़िया एकदम क्या है टिप टॉप एकदम. Please take my name. Hi Jessica, what's up? Hi guys. Hi, it's Afreen. Hi Afreen. Say my name. Hi Karthik. Please say my name. Avnish. Hi Avnish. Hey Avneet. Hi. Hey everybody. Hi. Hello. So you all can ask me a few questions if you want. I'm here to answer them. अरे हमें भी कुछ बोल दो. हाय हैरी. हेलो मैम, मैं तो हड्डा बहुत बड़ा फैन हाँ मैम, आप बहुत क्यूट हो. थैंक यू सो मच जी. थैंक यू. लुकिंग गॉर्जियस. थैंक यू. विच सॉन्ग इज दिस? इट्स कॉल्ड इट्स वेल. Did I just say whale? Oh god, what's happened? It's Well by Aman Kirat. Hello. Hi. Hello. Take my name. Hi Ronaldo fan. What's up? Please Avneet. Okay. Your next TV show. I don't know yet. Let's see. So, I'm here to talk today and I just thought कि काफ़ी टाइम से मैं live नहीं आई हूँ, so I'll come live and I can probably chat with everybody and just see how everyone is doing. Alright, so how are you all? What's happening? How's life? How's it going? We Avneetians love you from all our heart and you always there for you. You are the best idol. Ignore all the hates because we love you a lot. You are our happiness. Thank you so much. That's such a sweet message. Avneet _ Punjab. Thank you. Priyanka Jha, loving your new look. It's nothing actually. It's the same only. इतना कुछ difference नहीं है. Right now my hair is like super curly, तो इसलिए probably it's looking like that. Okay, so about this, somebody just said that ignore the hate. I just want to say one thing, that whatever is happening right now, मैं बस इतना बोलूँगी that I really see everything. All right, I am going through it right now, and it is not easy at all, but it's okay. But I just want to say one thing to you all, that's like, just stop assuming things. I would say it's really there are so many things happening and there are so many reasons that are there but we don't know about. So I just want to say that like, please stop assuming things. Like ऐसा कुछ भी हो, just stop assuming it. And that people have been putting a lot of hatred and a lot of negativity out here, and I'm not accepting that. Like, obviously I won't, I'm not going to, but it's really difficult because you see, like, there are so many things happening in a person's life, like, you don't even know about, like, so many things a person is going through and we don't know about. So it's better that we, you know, probably not talk about something that they would feel sad about, or sort of spread negativity around. Like, always try and be positive around people. I'm not even talking about social media here, I'm talking about in real life, how things, you know, how these things change a person's life. So I just want to say that. And I'm saying all these things not because, you know, I want you all to have such emotions for me or maybe something like that. I don't want that. I'm just saying this because it's the truth and I felt it and I just wanted to say it, and I can share anything with you guys. And I'm not going to cry or something. I won't cry because of the hate. I don't want to cry because of the hate. I want to cry for the love that you guys have for me, you know. It's that. So I want to cry by seeing the love that you guys have for me, by seeing the support that you guys have for me. Not by seeing the hatred or not by seeing the negativity around. I want to see the positivity. I want to see the good vibes, the positive vibes. So it's just that, and I know that how much you all have supported me throughout these years and how much you all have loved me throughout these years. And that's the main reason why I am here, because of my hard work, my support that I get from you guys and all of that. So yeah, it's just that, and I really wanted to say, because a lot of things have been going on and I don't want you all to assume many things. So I really love each one of y'all, and I want you guys to know that. So that's why I'm here today. And yeah, I think that's it. I think I've made my point pretty clear right now. So yeah, and thank you so much. And I promise one thing for sure, that a lot of things are coming. A lot of things are coming in the future, and we'll update you guys about that. Definitely upcoming things. And I'm so excited. बहुत amazing shoots करके आई हूँ मैं, and I want you all to appreciate that hard work. Not only mine, but everybody who's involved in that project. That's it. Avneet Kaur _ Lifeline. Hey beautiful. Hi. Hi. Hello. Avneet Kaur _ Lifeline. I love you. I love you too. You are so cute, girl. Thank you so much. Push yourself because no one else will do it for you, Avu. That's true. That's very true. Ocean, just be positive. Everything gonna be alright. Thank you so much. Why did you leave Aladdin? Okay. I've given my reason already, and there are a lot more things, and I don't want to talk about it right now. So I want to talk about what's going to happen in the future rather than talking about the past. Let's focus on the future and ask me about my upcoming projects. I would love to discuss that with you guys, and it's so exciting for me because I'm trying out such different things right now that I've always wanted to. Avneet, seriously, your recently shoot picture has glimpses in the story. OMG, so beautiful. You look so beautiful. Can't stop viewing them. Thank you. I'm gonna start uploading them tomorrow. कल से मैं upload करना शुरू करूँगी. And this is actually a very different photo shoot. Like I don't think I've ever done something this crazy and this experimental before. And that's why I'm pretty excited about this. Chocolate song for me. You want? Okay, I can play chocolate song here. Abu, do you know Gen Z? Sorry, no. Roshni, so cute. Hi babe, what's up? Thank you. मुझे आपसे मिलना है. ओके श्योर. ये फिल्टर मुझे लगता है आपके लिए बना. आई नो, आई एम सो obsessed with this one. Your favorite song of Jasman? A lot of songs. Most of the songs from his album, they're all really cool. Hi, say my name Siddharth. Hi Siddharth, कैसे हो आप? Hi. 1 second, let me play Chocolate. Ayyo, it's not happening. When are you coming to Jaipur? I've never been to Jaipur before, but I would really love to, explore around. Avneet, you're looking beautiful. Thank you. Hello, hi. One sec, let me just pin down a few questions that I can. Somebody saying, ma'am, can you speak my name? Devansh. Hi Devansh, कैसे हो आप? I love you more. How are you? I'm great. How are you? Hi. Hello. Please say Palak, please. Hi Palak, कैसे हो आप? Hi. Akash. Hi Akash. Abu, your upcoming projects. There are a few, and I'm very, very, very happy about them, and I'm very excited. And it's something like it's really different, and I've not tried something like that before. And the songs are beautiful. You all are gonna love it. And I can't wait for you all to watch it actually. बहुत ही जल्दी. And obviously I'll post about it on my Instagram, so you guys can definitely see. Hey, what's up? Nothing, just coming live here. Abu, did you read my story? Yeah, I did. I saw it. Hello, hi. Hi Avneet, hi Vaishu, hi. Hello. कुड़ू अच्छा कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट है. ये कुड़ी तो चॉकलेट लेड. Hello, hi guys. Chocolate song is good. I know, right? Thank you so much for giving it so much love. इतनी जल्दी. Thank you. Your style is amazing and you always looking beautiful. Thank you so much. करण बोलो ना. Hi करण, कैसे हो आप? Hi, hello. Sing chocolate, yaar. Raghav. I don't think I'll be so good at it. अच्छा, मैं मेन वाला लाइन गा देती हूँ. कुड़ी तो चॉकलेट लेड मेरी कपी केक नंबर एक है. कुड़ी तो चॉकलेट है. Don't sing. अच्छा, अभी मैंने गा दिया. अभी sorry, can't take it back anymore. Hi Avneet, hi. Your looks, oof. Thank you. Chocolate, yeah, chocolate. मेरे बारे में कुछ बोलो. Hi Ashia, what's up? Say hello Vansh. Hi Vansh, कैसे हो आप? Hi Devi, नमस्कार, नमस्ते. Please say my name Muskan. Hi Muskan. Wow. Wow. Very nice voice.